Motown festivities continue for all the OEMs this time around as well. The numbers have been reasonably good, given that a significant chunk of festivals comprising the likes of Diwali, Dhanteras-Bhaidooj, this auspicious period fell in the month of November this time around. So we saw good inventory refilling as well from the dealers' end. And of course, there's low base effect also kicking in, reflecting a good YOY growth as well for most OEMs across the board. Let me start off with market leader Maruti Suzuki. 1.53 lakh units delivered there. We were expecting a 7% expansion on a year-on-year basis. What they delivered is only a 2% expansion, but I would say there's not a very significant negative surprise there. So largely an inline set, I would say, for Maruti Suzuki. Tata Motors CV, solid set of numbers, 108% expansion on a YOY basis. 21,641 units delivered by the company for the month gone by. You have M&M Auto logging in 42,731 units. They've seen a 4% growth YOY. And a 4% degrowth month on month. Of course, October, as we all know, it has been an exceptional month for Motown sales. So most of them have actually slumped a tad bit compared to October. So a slight compression, a slight degrowth seen for all the players there. M&M Farm, 32,726 units, very strong set of numbers once again in the rural, in the agri segment rather. Escorts, 10,165 units, again very good set of numbers delivered by the farm equipment giant. The commentary essentially has also been fairly bullish from both Escorts as well as from M&M. Escorts, in fact, has registered the highest ever November sales figure. They said that the stock at dealers and depots continues to be low. They will also look at stock correction over the coming few months, which will augur well for the industry and will push the industry upwards as well. The tractor industry is likely to be aided by healthy water reservoirs, good harvest. Supply chain still continues to be volatile, but the company continues to work on it, and they believe it will iron out going forward. They've taken a price increase as well this month on the back of rising commodity prices. M&M, well, the farm equipment demand continues to be robust, fueled by strong agri triggers and agri tailwinds that are coming in. Excellent festive season. Retails were strong during Dhanteras, Diwali. Rural sentiments are quite positive on account of high Kharif output and strong Rabi sowing. So good triggers coming in there as well. As far as auto segment for Mahindra is concerned, they've achieved strong double-digit growth in SUVs during November. They, given the strong rural growth and signs of improvement in the economic activity, they hope to see the momentum continue. In fact, small CVs like Bolero pickup, Supro, etc., they have also seen good demand in the month gone by. Moving on then, Tata Motors CV, good numbers, 27,982 units delivered for the month gone by. Eicher CV 3,700, slightly better than expected. Ashok Leyland, 10,659 units sold in the month gone by. Two-wheelers, well, Royal Enfield and Hero Motocorp, a bit disappointment there. Royal Enfield has delivered 63,782 units. Hero Motocorp at about 5.9 lakh units. They've said that the festive season overall, the period of 32 days between Navratri till Bhaidooj has been very strong, as already reported to the buses. Strong growth in sales has seen the company further strengthening their market leadership across motorcycle and scooter categories, and they believe that the growth in personal mobility in the post-COVID era will further strengthen the demand for two-wheelers. Moving on to Bajaj Auto, 4.22 lakh units. Again, no negative surprises there. They were largely an inline sled. As far as TVS Motors is concerned, 3.2 lakh units sold in the month gone by. So like I said, PVs have done exceptionally well. And of course, so have farm equipment and tractor segments. So they've done very well and completely inline set of numbers. There's a slight disappointment from a few two-wheeler companies. Let's see how the stock reacts tomorrow, because they deliver their number post markets today. But largely, I would say not a very surprising performance on the downside from many of them. It's largely, I would say, a decent performance.